Hey Kipsters, welcome back to lesson 11. I hope you guys enjoyed your day off where you got to catch up on some work and then you started on your lesson on Wednesday, going over quotations. So today's lesson, we're going to write again. So I'm going to read the prompt and then I'm going to show you how we're going to use quotations in our work and why. What's the purpose of it? So today you're going to be writing about a really fun day with your family and explain how it was a surprise for you. So today you're going to study the prompt, tell me what you have to write about, brainstorm your ideas. You can create your outline here. And then here you write your introduction. And then today I'm going to model. First, I'm going to go over how we put quotes in what it means to have a good heart and when we were talking about Harriet Tubman. And then I'm going to show you how I included quotes in my writing. So when you are including a quote, the first thing is that you have to look for an idea to support concrete evidence. So we put quotes to give support. So it's like more of like a supporting detail to our big idea. So my big idea, or what I was talking about when we were talking about when Marion had a good heart, was that she was strong-minded and stuck to her goals. So that's my big idea. So now I need something to support it. So you visualize what is happening in your head. Was there something said? So I remember that she carried a woman when she was too weak to walk on the journey. Remember, there's a picture of her and she carried her. What did she say? So what was she saying at this time? Harriet said, "I've never run a train off the track. I never lost the passenger." So when she was too weak and she was talking to that man, explain what it shows. So this shows that Harriet did the right thing no matter what. So I inserted this quote, "I've never run out," to support that she was strong-minded and stuck to her goals, and how it shows that Harriet did the right thing. So today I'm going to do that exact same thing in my writing. So our big idea is our prompt, right? We have to write about a fun day that was a surprise. So I'm going to read my idea. "I woke up in the morning with the sun shining on my face. It was my birthday and it was going to be so much fun." So this big idea is that it was my birthday and it was going to be so much fun. So remember, I need something to support that. So visualize what is happening in your head. Well, I remember it was my birthday. I remember I could hear my brother's feet stomping on the stairs, getting closer to my room. So when I could see that, I remember he said, "I suddenly heard my brother yell, 'Happy birthday, we're leaving, get dressed, you have 2 minutes.'" And what does this quote show? This shows that this day was going to be such a fun surprise. So it's supporting that big idea of a fun day that you had and how it was a surprise to you. So I'm getting the reader ready to find out what my big fun surprise is by adding that quote of what my brother said and what it looks like. So I really gave concrete support to my big idea that it was my birthday and it was going to be so much fun. So in your body somewhere today, your body paragraph, I want you to write out your body and then try adding a quote. It says, "Please type here and highlight each sentence to make the thinking steps." So with your thinking steps, like look for a big idea that you wrote in your body, just like my idea was about the morning of my birthday and that it was going to be a surprise. And then what was happening in this when you're doing this? When you talk about this day, what was happening? Write out what happened. And then what was said? What do you remember what it said? And then explain what does it show? How does it show? What does it show in the connection to this idea that you're writing about? So I want you to try to put in a quote with a paragraph, and then we're going to add it right here. So you're going to type it out. And then I want you to write your conclusion. Remember to leave me with something powerful, something to remember this special day that you had with your family. So good luck, and I can't wait to read all your writing because I love your writing. But also remember that this is what you're going to be graded on. So I'm going to look for this to see if you're able to insert a quote in your writing to support an idea. So good luck, guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.